Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to swap the X and Y axes on a graph in Google Sheets. Whether you're working on a school project, preparing a business report, or just trying to make your data easier to read, knowing how to flip your chart axes can seriously boost both your confidence and your chart's clarity. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to easily reverse the axes on any chart you create in Google Sheets. No sweat, even if you're brand new to the tool. Alright, let's dive right in. Imagine you've got a basic table in Google Sheets. Maybe it's a list of dates in one column and the sales numbers you made on each of those dates in the next column. This is a super common way to track progress over time, but what if you want to swap the axes and show sales along the bottom and dates up the side? It might sound tricky, but I'll walk you through every click. First, you'll want to highlight all your data. Just click and drag your mouse across both columns, so in our example, that's both the date and the sales columns. This tells Google Sheets exactly which information you want to include in your chart. Don't worry if you have headers at the top like date and sales, Google Sheets knows how to handle those. Next, with your data highlighted, go up to the menu and click on Insert, then choose Chart. Give it a second and Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart for you. Sometimes it picks the chart type for you, but don't worry if it's not quite what you want. You have full control. Now, over on the right side, you'll see the chart editor. This is like your control panel for customizing everything about your chart. For data like dates and sales, a line chart is usually a good pick. That's what I'll be using in this example. You can choose the line chart from the options if it isn't already selected. The key here is to pick a visual that helps your audience see patterns clearly. Here where things get a little more hands-on. In the chart editor, look for the Setup section. Under Setup, you'll see where Google assigned an X-axis and series. The X-axis by default will probably be your dates and the series will be your sales, but we want to swap those. To do that, first remove both the X-axis and the series. You can do this by clicking the little three dots next to each and choosing Remove. It might feel funny to clear everything, but don't worry, this just resets the chart so you can tell Google Sheets what you really want. Now that everything's blank, it's time to rebuild the axes the way you want them. Where it says X-axis, click Add X-axis. In the dropdown, select Sales this time instead of the default Date column. Now click to add a series and pick Date. This tells Google Sheets to plot your sales along the horizontal axis and your dates on the vertical, which is the reverse of the usual setup. Take a look at your chart, it's now swapped. This is perfect if you want to analyze your data from a different angle or if your audience finds it easier to see trends this way. Give yourself a pat on the back, you've just customized your chart beyond the basics. And that's all there is to it. It might take a moment the first time, but once you do it, it really clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you have any questions or get stuck anywhere, just drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.